In 2014, the family of Mbabazi Bernard of Muhanga Town Council in Rukiga district sued Muhanga Town Council for illegally using their land as a garbage disposal, which prompted them to stop immediately with no alternative. On visiting Matanga Town Council, all streets and trenches were littered with rubbish and used plastic bottles.
That area, we are using it, but unfortunately, we find ourselves just using other people's land.
Ati council kinka chengaje yabe kine mwanya gwo kulima hekina cyo kutamusasa. Kasasire turagera rikirira nitwe nkaberije kugwaza kubanyonda abantu ya buri zuba gita kasasire kugitenyumuku no kubura umwanya wo kugita abuko n'ababiri baragiyegura baragitwalira nabo kugishukati hari.
Local leaders are now in fear that cholera and other related diseases might break out.
Most of the public land we have is far away from the Muhanga Town Council, Muhanga Central Business Area. It's over 3 kilometers away from town. So the garbage that accumulates daily becomes a challenge because we don't have where to dump it.